This article explains how to edit and update drawing details in WeldTrace. You will learn how to modify titles, upload files, and manage drawing number changes securely. If you need to edit a drawing number for some reason, you can open the drawing detail and click Edit. You'll be able to make changes here, add title, change revision, and even upload a different file. If you upload a new file, the old file will be replaced with the new file. This process usually takes some time for the file to be read and a Weld Mapping interface to be created. Once the file has been successfully updated, you would see this notification come through. So if any dimension annotations and notes are entered, they'll be automatically transferred to the new drawing. Same thing with any Weld Mapping annotations. Now, if you need to change the drawing number itself, only the admins can make the change. So this button to edit the primary field will be available only for the admins. So you click here, then make any change. Accept the change here, and then update. Click the Update button to save your changes. And if you open the drawing, you would see the new name. The drawing number has been updated. The file has been updated, and you can see the history of changes showing who made the change and when the changes were made. Click the Times button to close the drawing detail view. This article explained how to edit drawing details, upload new files, and manage drawing number changes within WeldTrace. You learned how to transfer annotations, view update notifications, and track change history effectively. For more information, see related articles on drawing management and weld mapping.